Ta ngachere ki gyakab ki durab kechi chi da kechi ni ki chala di gutsubi gayila. Tari ki chala di maungpa ki shijam di te torara tepchire dindi zona dosa. Te chala su kaara lejimbe jodela. Dubdi torochi kachi jeume sewachin desub da gelsub su nale jonda tha kyube beudalo ti Facebook, Instagram, TikTok video nampa naso ngache kaare ki thonsail. Chinalu lobda pam pincha kaara mitunale michuza chimigi gokhalera apada aigi ta papachere chupripu then choshanalu shuke melum tap karegi lapthatsa dung then kekchi bakon pusta pumsuge rangi abda ai jeudalu tutelara tiso se salam phumal. I mean, it brings tears of joy when I see this online. The sense of accomplishment, deep satisfaction. Te ani jeudalu taksendi phamage rangi alupusugi chenam lutadi ngerambi ki chuil. Alupusuge totopo jabi gaimbe rangi phamalu kadisamshe gyujabchi lejimbe phu tiso semidi tatalapa guzung rangi dinjegi phamalu chachichi lejimbe shuge segi te chuinisa daani zumbe jewdolo ti duktendigi gekhapse la khachira beru pinsum cho totobe taksin lejimbe tendi lejimbe tsida bachin kachira zeru jawa lamdu lejimbe jong ngachira pendi dubi gyakap dindi zogo bachin tamla misira dindi gola then lam lusedi danzita gola and jutanjulu peljo di khachel. So in other words, for our collective future, it's imperative that we have very strong people, because at the end of the day, no matter how you define our future, it will be done so through our own people. So that is one of the reasons why moving forward we are going to do everything to prepare our young boys and girls. And then the second thing is our culture. And this extends beyond dharmic culture or the unique Bhutanese culture. It's a culture of harmony, a culture of fealty, culture that supports service, sacrifice, culture that makes people loyal and dependable, hardworking, culture that makes people more compassionate. The anizungi yijingi nopse ngajera mapalera na dugya khapna ngengonglera dusa. The ani danze lejimbe tabni di namasame gechel. The jutanjulu di peljo seme di economy mal. So that's where I have repeatedly mentioned that by introducing national service, after a couple of years we're expecting 13,000 cadets passing out each year. So let's do the math. In 2 decades, we will have 260,000. By then, I believe we'll have more than 100,000 desubs. If you combine the two, we're expecting around 360,000 soldiers, so to speak. And at that moment, yet again I asked, are we preparing for war? Do we believe that there are going to be a lot of calamities, apocalyptic challenges, things that should concern us today? And as such, we are making adequate preparations. I don't think so, sir. We're too small a country. I don't see 360,000 soldiers taking up arms, sir. But what I do see is what has been defined as the hive strategy, sir. Tangachere du gyakab di milop nyuranyu gyakab ridep cha kopsup chunku lakachile gemi. Ta talapa guzun dibe ngachere du gyakab nalu desup pelsup gelsup se anibe gutsugo midera hive strategies. Jami ki chanzume zodibe. Duitenchara ngachera gelun bansum chuda omzumbe. Nosum chibe ta la chibe be. Kara u du 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 u du 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 se. Anibe desu bachin te ngachera gyakab ki chala kachira zeguru tocha meba. Ka no midi dende lejume dupsusa. So I believe that this is the building block of Bhutan's future.